It's been my privilege to get to know a few Haitian people over the last several years, and on a recent vacation, I learned some things about Haitian cuisine. I'd like to show you today how to make a standard Haitian dish called Pickled in Creole. It's Haitian pickled vegetables, and it starts with the box grater and a large bowl, and I've got half a head of cabbage that I'll shred into the bowl. Now I'll do the same with a couple of carrots, and I've also got an onion, a small onion that I'm going to slice very thin, and I'll add that to the mix as well. Now here's where you're going to have to make a decision, because in Haitian cuisine they use Scotch bonnets or habaneros, a very spicy pepper. So if you can't take the heat, go ahead and use jalapenos. So I'll just roughly chop the habaneros that I've got here and add them to the mix. I'll also smash 5 garlic cloves, add a couple of teaspoons of salt, and 10 black peppercorns. Now everything gets mixed together and then spooned into jars and packed down the vegetables very tightly. Then add in vinegar. It's going to take probably a couple of cups. You're going to take the vinegar right to the top of the jar and then seal it tightly and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least a day or two. It's really quite a spicy dish, but there's the sweetness of the carrot and the tanginess of the vinegar. It's a great side dish. I know you're going to love it. So get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. Thanks to Ezra and Desi for teaching me this recipe. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.